Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring you an interesting story as Governor Yahaya Bello rejects COVID-19 vaccines, says it is meant to kill.
Vaccines have been produced in less than 1 year of COVID-19. No vaccine for HIV, malaria, for cancer, for headache, and for several other diseases that are killing us.
Details in a bit. Governor Yahaya Bello of Kogi State has discouraged the use of COVID-19 vaccine, falsely stating that the jabs are meant to kill people. Like several other countries, Nigeria has recorded a second wave of the virus with an average of 1,000 cases daily in the last 2 weeks. The increase in cases has led to demand for vaccines to curb the spread of the virus, and the federal government has announced that Nigerians will receive the coronavirus vaccine by January 2021, adding that a technical working group in the Ministry of Health is working on which vaccine will best suit Nigeria, considering that the country has no minus 80 degrees freezers. Faisal Shuaib, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, disclosed that provisions would be made for President Muhammadu Buhari and the Vice President Yemi Osinbajo to receive the vaccine on live television. However, in a viral video, the Kogi State Governor condemned the use of vaccine, saying it is meant to kill people. Speaking while addressing the crowd, Bello doubted the authenticity of the vaccine, saying there is no cure for HIV and many other diseases troubling mankind. He said, vaccines are being produced in less than 1 year of COVID-19. There is no vaccine yet for HIV, malaria, cancer, headache, and for several other diseases that are killing us. They want us to use the COVID-19 vaccines to introduce the disease that would kill you and us. God forbid, he said. He further said, we should draw our minds back to what happened in Kano during the Pfizer polio vaccines that crippled and killed our children. We have learned our lessons. If they say they are taking the vaccines in the public, allow them take their vaccines. Don't say I said you should not take it, but if you want to take it, open your eyes before you take the vaccines. Let's check out the statement by Kogi State Governor.
Vaccines have been produced in less than 1 year of COVID-19. No vaccine for HIV, malaria, for cancer, for headache, and for several other diseases that are killing us. We don't have vaccine. They want to use the vaccine to introduce the disease that will kill you and us. God forbid. We should draw our mind back to what happened in Kano. What happened in Kano? Pfizer vaccine, polio vaccine that crippled and killed our children. We have learned our lessons. If they say they are taking vaccine in the public, allow them to take their vaccine. But you may wish to take the vaccine, I wish you well. Don't say, I say don't take the vaccine. But if you want to take the vaccine, open your eyes before you take the vaccine.
Meanwhile, this is not the first time the Kogi governor would cast doubt on the existence of the viral disease or the potency of vaccines for COVID-19. Bello has reportedly violated social distancing rule among other protocols to curb the spread of the virus. Kogi is one of the states where COVID-19 tests are next to new, as the governor insists that there is no coronavirus in the state. In his New Year broadcast, Bello said it would be irresponsible of his government to see COVID-19 as a definer of 2020. He further said Kogi will not respond to the second wave of the virus with mass hysteria. The governor has also asked the federal government to focus more on reviving the economy than on how to procure COVID-19 vaccine. Even with the doubt cast by the Kogi State Governor, Nigeria has reportedly recorded a total of 112,004 cases, while 89,939 have been discharged and deaths of 1,449 have been recorded from COVID-19. We urge you to continue to stay safe as we bring you more updates on the Gist on Plug TV Live. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.